Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the account that serves the auto ads so you can control them directly. Once signed in, go straight to the ads or monetization settings. This is where auto placement options live. Make the first change by disabling automatic placements or toggling off auto ads. Do it now so ad systems stop making new decisions. Also export or screenshot current settings for rollback, because if something breaks, you want to restore the prior state quickly. Once the automatic switch is off, you have to refine delivery so residual rules don't re-enable ads. You should disable each ad format you don't want, overlays, native units, and video slots, and set strict frequency caps so impressions stop repeating. Then edit placement exclusions to block pages or sections. Make sure to remove or revoke third-party partners and networks that inject ads. Otherwise, they can continue serving even when your platform's auto mode is disabled. Finally, verify that changes took effect. Clear caches, test pages in incognito and on multiple devices, and watch for ad slots disappearing. Monitor requests and revenue metrics for 24 to 72 hours to ensure ad calls drop off. That confirms the change propagated. If ads still appear, revoke any API keys, remove ad scripts from templates, and check CDN caches. One key troubleshooting tip: if third-party ads persist, temporarily block the ad domain at the
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.